Speaker, sir, the attention of the House is drawn to the grave plight of the residents of Murmagaon constituency, who have recently been served show cause notices one after the another for evacuation by the Murmagaon Port Trust Authority. This sudden action has caused severe distress, uncertainty, and anxiety among the affected residents, particularly senior citizens, many of whom have been peacefully residing on this land for several decades. It is pertinent to note that these residential structures were constructed much prior to 1972, and the occupant have been in an uninterrupted possession for the said properties for generation. Despite this long-standing habitation, the Murmagaon Port Authority, formerly known as Murmagaon Port Trust, after taking over this land from the state government, it is now claiming ownership and has initiated evacuation proceeding against these residents. Further, there are also religious structures like temple and churches on this land which are equally facing eviction and demolition threat, which will certainly cause unrest in the locality. Instead of recognizing and granting lawful right to the long-settled occupant, the action of the MP appears to be aimed at displacing them, thereby subjecting innocent families to undue mental trauma and hardship. Such forced measures not only threaten the livelihood and shelter of this resident, but also undermine the spirit and objective of the Government of Goa flagship housing initiative, माझे घर Yojana, which seek to provide housing security and dignity to the people of the state. In view of the above, it is requested to clarify the step it proposed to take to protect the right of these long-settled residents, to prevent their unrest, displacement, and to assure that their legitimate claim to housing security and safeguard. Step the government intend to take in this regard.
I will initiate an inquiry into this matter.
Sir, already there is a notice येऊन demolishing notice काढलेली
No,
असा.
I just in fact,
जागो तुमचोच गव्हर्नमेंटचो जो
after
तुम्ही त्यांका दिलेलो असलेलो.
receiving your 0 hour mention, I just mentioned to the collector.
हे स्टॉप जाऊंक जाय
No,
सर.
no, I will just inform the collector. He said he will initiate the matter.
Thank you, sir.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.